India has offered its new generation coastal surveillance radar systems to Philippines, as the Southeast Asian country aims to improve its awareness in the maritime domain. The DRDO developed new generation coastal surveillance radar features high-duty solid-state power amplifier, sophisticated signal processing and sea clutter mitigation techniques, and can track dense fishing vessels in the vicinity of coastal area to a range of 50 kilometers, and the advanced tracking algorithm enables it to track 1,500 sea surface targets. The DRDO has rectified the technical snag with the booster of the Nirbhay system, due to which the last test had to be aborted just 8 minutes into the flight. As there is no issue with the indigenously developed small turbofan engine, the DRDO is expected to conduct a fresh test in January 2021, and if the top management is satisfied with the report filed by the project team, the test can be conducted in early December. The Ordnance Factory Board has received an export order to supply 5.56 by 45 mm NATO M193 ball ammunition to the US in the current fiscal year. While it is not known if the end user is the US military or if it's meant for the civilian market, it is to be noted that the M193 is a military cartridge used in the M16 rifle by the US Army for training, and there are strict rules around civilian ownership of M193 ammunition. After the UAE-based firm Caracal had offered the local production of carbines with high level of indigenization and technology transfer, new reports indicate that the South Korean firm Hanwa Defense has now also offered local assembly and integration of K30 systems at the existing facilities of Larsen and Toubro with maximum level of indigenization, as the company already manufactures the Korean K9 howitzer for the Indian Army. It is to be noted that the cost negotiations for the K30 air defense systems did not proceed after the Russian side objected to their exclusion from the competition. The contract for 5,175 very short-range air defense systems required Russia to supply an initial batch of missiles and equipment with technology transferred to an Indian public sector company for local manufacturing of the remaining batches in India. Russia has refused to transfer booster and seeker technology, due to which the Indian Army is procuring limited quantities of the Igla systems through the 500 crore rupees emergency power mechanism. The DRDO has started the fabrication work on the first prototype, and the indigenous man-portable air defense system will be fully ready by 2023. The Chinese Army is conducting user trial of swarm unmanned aerial vehicles, and the 48-tube multiple UAV launcher is also being tested from helicopters, indicating that development work on multiple launch platforms is in progress. The vehicle-mounted system will enter service shortly, while the Chinese Navy could install them on amphibious landing vessels to support combat operations.
Omar dropped it.